can I stop feeling nervous or shy when speaking English? What are some effective techniques to build confidence in English speaking? How can I improve my pronunciation to sound more confident? And what are the best ways to practice speaking English regularly? Today, I'm going to discuss all these questions that make you uncomfortable when you try to speak English. I'm Finn, your teacher, here to make English learning easier for you. Let's dive in. Understanding the power of confidence in English speaking can profoundly transform your communication. When you speak with authority and confidence, you express yourself more clearly, connect better with others, and leave lasting positive impressions. Developing confident speaking skills helps you move beyond the fear of mistakes and hesitation, enabling your conversations to flow naturally. This improvement enhances not only your communication abilities, but also creates new opportunities in social, educational, and professional contexts. Speaking with power and confidence isn't an innate trait. It's a skill you can cultivate through consistent practice. By regularly practicing, expanding your vocabulary, and immersing yourself in English-speaking environments, you'll gradually develop greater speaking confidence. Embrace each step of this journey, celebrate small victories, and remember that building confidence requires patience, persistence, and a positive mindset. Establishing a strong foundation in English is crucial for effective communication and developing confident speaking skills. Much like constructing a building's foundation, having solid English fundamentals provides the stability needed to advance in vocabulary, grammar, and fluency. Here are effective ways to strengthen your foundation. Master the basics. Begin by reviewing core language elements including grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Understanding essential grammar rules and sentence structures makes your communication clearer and more accurate. For pronunciation, practice commonly mispronounced sounds to ensure listeners understand you correctly. These fundamentals support your progression to advanced skills. Practice consistently. Create a daily English routine dedicating time to reading, listening, and speaking. This regular practice reinforces learning and builds confidence. Start with simple texts or beginner podcasts, gradually increasing complexity as you improve. Remember that building strong foundations requires persistence. Value steady, incremental progress. Expand vocabulary strategically. Begin with frequently used words and phrases relevant to your daily life. Growing your vocabulary at a manageable pace makes it easier to remember and use new words confidently in conversations. This gradual approach builds a foundation for natural, fluent communication. Focusing on these areas creates a reliable base for your English skills. Similar to establishing strong foundations in academics or personal development. Whether aiming for conversational fluency or preparing for formal contexts, these steps will help you develop lasting language proficiency. Overcoming the fear of mistakes is essential for building confidence and resilience in English speaking. Many learners hesitate to practice due to error anxiety, which hinders progress. Implementing effective strategies to reframe this fear can significantly advance your fluency and self-assurance. View mistakes as learning opportunities. One powerful approach is treating mistakes as valuable learning steps. Each error provides insights for improvement, ultimately making you a stronger communicator. Remember that every fluent English speaker has made mistakes. They're a natural part of the learning process. This mindset shift is key to overcoming speaking fears. Prioritize progress over perfection. Embrace gradual improvement rather than demanding perfection. Set small, achievable goals for each practice session, like using new vocabulary or refining pronunciation. Celebrate every milestone, however small, to maintain motivation. Shifting focus from flawless performance to measurable progress makes learning more enjoyable and productive. Practice positive self-talk. Your internal dialogue significantly impacts confidence. Replace thoughts like, "I'll never be fluent," with affirmations such as, "I'm improving daily," or "Mistakes help me grow." Positive self-talk builds resilience against fear. Remind yourself that language learning is gradual and regularly acknowledge your progress. Implementing these strategies helps develop a growth-oriented mindset about mistakes. Overcoming this fear improves not only language skills but also builds broader confidence. As you become comfortable learning from errors, English speaking will feel more natural. Remember, everyone learns through trial and error. Persistence is key. Effective spoken English practice is crucial for achieving fluency and confidence. Here are practical techniques that align with both teaching and learning methodologies. Mirror practice. This powerful technique involves practicing expressions and pronunciation while observing yourself in a mirror. Notice your facial expressions and body language to improve self-presentation and boost confidence. Practice dialogues, read aloud, or rehearse presentations this way. Seeing yourself speak helps refine delivery in real time, making mirror practice a simple yet transformative method. Record and review. Recording your speech using a smartphone or other device lets you assess tone, pronunciation, and clarity. Play back recordings to identify improvement areas and track progress. Pay attention to speed and intonation, which significantly impact communication effectiveness. This method is excellent for developing practice efficiency and fluency. Role-playing exercises. These dramatically reduce hesitation and improve conversational ability. Practice common scenarios like restaurant ordering, introductions, or small talk, either alone or with a partner. Role-playing makes practice enjoyable while preparing you for real interactions. By simulating various conversations, you gain confidence and fluency for everyday situations. These techniques, mirror practice, recording/reviewing, and role-playing, create a comprehensive framework for English language practice. Incorporating them regularly develops fluency and overall speaking ability. Remember that consistent practice drives progress. Dedicate time to these methods to see your confidence and skills grow. Whether you're beginning or refining skills, these approaches provide strong foundational practice. Gaining real-world English exposure is vital for developing fluency and confidence. Immersing yourself in authentic environments and interactions significantly enhances skills through these methods. Conversation partners and language exchanges. Connecting with conversation partners or joining exchange programs provides authentic practice with native speakers or fellow learners. These interactions improve speaking comfort, listening skills, and familiarity with colloquial expressions. Immediate feedback makes this an invaluable learning component. English media immersion. Movies, podcasts, and books expose you to diverse accents, vocabulary, and cultural contexts. Films and TV shows demonstrate conversational English and common phrases. Podcasts showcase language used across topics, while books improve vocabulary and sentence structure understanding. Regular media consumption creates effective language absorption. Language meetups and online communities. Participating in these supportive environments allows judgment-free practice. Whether in person or virtual, these communities emphasize practical speaking. Interest-focused groups let you discuss passions while practicing, making social interaction vital for confidence building. Actively seeking real-world exposure significantly enhances language skills. Combining conversation practice, media immersion, and community participation improves speaking ability while deepening cultural understanding. The goal is creating an English-rich environment that fosters fluent, confident communication. Developing a confident mindset dramatically improves English speaking ability. A positive, self-assured attitude enhances communication effectiveness through these strategies. Visualization techniques. Regularly imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Picture clear expression and positive responses in conversations. This mental rehearsal reduces anxiety and associates English speaking with success, training your mind to expect positive outcomes. Breath control for relaxation. Managing pre-speaking nervousness is crucial. Practice deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, count of 4. Hold 4. Exhale through mouth 4. This calms nerves, focuses your mind, and regulates voice for more composed speech. Incremental goal setting. Begin with simple speaking tasks like introductions, gradually increasing complexity. Small achievements build confidence without overwhelm, reinforcing belief in your abilities and willingness to take on new challenges. Incorporating these strategies, visualization, breath control, and step-by-step goals, develops a confident mindset. Remember, confidence is learnable. Consistent practice makes you more assured. Embrace the journey beyond your comfort zone. It's essential for developing self-confidence. Tracking progress and focusing on self-improvement are vital for confident English speaking. Regular assessment and celebration of achievements maintain motivation through these methods. Structured self-assessment. Schedule weekly/monthly evaluations of speaking, listening, and comprehension progress. Identify improvement areas and adjust goals accordingly. A growth journal documents thoughts, challenges, and successes, enhancing development tracking and focus. Celebrating milestones. Acknowledge all progress, however small. Recognizing achievements like using new phrases or completing challenging tasks maintains motivation and reinforces positive habits, creating an upward improvement cycle. Seeking expert feedback. Native speakers or coaches provide valuable insights about your speaking style and improvement areas. Their perspective helps identify weaknesses and guides effective development strategies. Implementing these strategies, regular assessment, achievement recognition, and professional feedback, significantly enhances your learning journey. Remember that confident English speaking develops gradually. With dedicated effort, you will achieve your goals. Speaking English confidently isn't instantaneous. It's a journey requiring practice, persistence, and patience. Every effort contributes to your growth. Embrace all learning stages, whether overcoming fears, building vocabulary, or conversing. Celebrate small victories as significant progress markers. The self-discovery journey matters as much as the destination. Each interaction provides ability insights and skill improvement. By cultivating positivity and focusing on gradual improvement, you enhance both language skills and overall life perspective. Continue investing in your development. The rewards will lead you to become the confident English speaker you aspire to be.